I now give the floor to His Excellency Mosese Bulitavu, Minister for Environment and Climate Change of Fiji.
Co-chairs of the UNOC 3, Excellencies, ladies, gentlemen, all protocols observed, Nisampul Benaka, and a very good morning to you. At the start, let me confirm that Fiji aligns itself with the statements of G77 plus China and the statement of the IOCs. The ocean is our lifeblood. For Fiji and the Pacific, it is essential to our way of life, our cultures, and who we are. The United Nations Oceans Conference gives us all the chance to build a shared future where our oceans thrive and our communities and economies prosper. This is our promise to our people and our commitment. We as ocean leaders and stewards must fulfill. We are in the race against time. The growing, escalating threats of climate change, overfishing, marine pollution, and the rising seas are our daily reality. And they will only get worse. As large ocean states, we bear the brunt of this crisis. Yet, we should be thriving from the vast ocean spaces under our national jurisdiction. Instead, our coral reefs are bleaching, our communities face the erosion of their livelihoods and heritage. Despite these impacts, our vulnerability does not weaken our resolve. Instead, it fuels a stronger determination to protect and conserve. Mr. President, sir, Fiji is actively progressing towards sustainable management of 100% of its ocean area, and a goal we are proud to lead among few nations. This commitment is underpinned by robust science and data. This commitment is underpinned, as I've already said, by robust science and data. For instance, last year we undertook our first national-wide marine expedition, completing scientific surveys across all our sea reef systems, including the world's longest barrier reef system, known to us as the Kaulevu, and named in English as the Great Sea Reef. Fiji remains committed to its 30 by 30 target. To date, we have established 5 marine reserve areas as part of this commitment. These efforts also includes the ongoing process of developing legislative and policy framework that carefully balances traditional ownership rights with national state interest. In this respect, Fiji has taken bold steps. We ratified the BBNJ agreement to help safeguard biodiversity beyond borders, recognizing that international water are everyone's shared responsibility. We have implemented policies, including our national oceans policies, that combine traditional knowledge with scientific research. This allows for a holistic approach to ocean governance. We are developing ocean accounting frameworks. This allows us to measure the economic, social, and environmental values of our marine ecosystem. We are investing in nature-based solutions, such as mangrove restoration and reef rehabilitation to boost our coastal resilience. We demand ocean climate actions be integrated into the Paris Agreement and global finance mechanisms, and we need urgent ambitions, not complacency. Excellencies, this is a battle we cannot win alone. The Pacific's call to establish an ocean of peace is a holistic plea to unite sovereignty, biodiversity, and justice. Imagine a world where treaties on climate, biodiversity, and marine security align rather than compete. Where silo thinking gives way to synergy. This is the foundation of Pacific Region's 2050 strategy for the Blue Pacific continent and our Prime Minister's vision for an ocean of peace. For Fiji and the Pacific, our wealth isn't measured solely by GDP. The health of our oceans, which sustains us, cannot be quantified in that way. We are custodians of some of the world's last healthy oceans, rich with benefits like thriving tuna stocks. But the reality in Fiji and the Pacific are facing threats that we did not create. These cries demand genuine partnership from the international community. To the global community, recognition of our plight is not enough. We need action. Commitments under SDG 14 must move from concept to practice. Climate finance must reach those on the front lines through truly innovative finance frameworks that genuinely help Fiji protect its ocean, not just for us, but for everyone. The scope and concept that define international engagement on maritime and national security must be expanded to stay relevant in the complex world. Let us be clear, empowering women, youth, and indigenous stewards is not optional. Their traditional knowledge and energy is our compass in uncharted waters. Excellencies, the ocean is our common heritage. Its survival hinges on transparency, accountability, and partnership that transcends borders. Fiji stands ready to collaborate, innovate, and lead. But we cannot do this alone. Let us seize this opportunity to reaffirm our collective responsibility, unite our efforts, mobilize resources, and commit to meaningful and lasting change. Let us sail forward together. Pinawaliw.
I thank the Minister for Environment and Climate Change of Fiji.